Welcome. This is Carl Ford, and you're on a video blog of mine now at 4gwe.com and .info. I want to thank TMC and my pal Al in helping me do this stuff. I'd really like you guys to work with me here, and let's talk about the network. Now, I thought about bringing you about 35 different network diagrams about what to show you about how the network works. But fundamentally, I'm going back to something Jonathan Rosenberg used to do a while back, and I'm going to show you the perfect network architecture right here. And particularly, I've done this time to show you basically what the network was like before the internet came about. And particularly, I want you to look at the bottom here. And you can think of the bottom as being where all the money used to be on providing the network. And it was basically provided with access and the use of the connectivity on a permanent basis to the network. But connecting up to the network at the lower layers was all about what the PSTN was about. Well, then when the internet came around and we taught computers to whistle, one of the big things we did was we made it so that the top of the network got to start being the place where you started to make money. So people were paying for the ability to have your network connected up to the internet. So there was a new model that came into play here. Okay, now why is that important? It's important because of the fact that as we head towards the fourth generation, what's going on is the fact that the guys who are associated with the wireless network are now more blended with the folks who are associated with the application side. So this gets into all the basic issues of net neutrality, the issues about network infrastructure, and everything else. So what I'm going to do today and for the next few days is I'm going to take you through kind of a primer. Now on my blog I'll also have some of the lengthy descriptions of networks if you really want to read that. But my primary goal right now is to keep it simple. And keeping it simple, this is the discussion point, how to make the hourglass work. By the way, when I talk about the hourglass, let's kind of put it in reference here. Okay? The application layer, the network layer, and right here at this point where the sand starts going down, we would call that IP, okay, or the Internet Protocol, which masks everything in layer 2 and layer 1 and allows everything else in the app layer to be associated with cool things, okay? And one of the things we're also going to talk about this week is the fact that voice is now being lifted into being a cool thing and being an app itself. So that's what I wanted to start off with today, and stay tuned for the rest of the show for the rest of the week. Thank you.